Hi, and happy Family Day! I'm Bronwyn from Gallery 2, and I'm going to be showing you how to do the art activities in your Family Day art kits. The 2 activities in your art kit were inspired by the exhibitions currently on display at Gallery 2. For our first activity, we're going to be making blow paintings, inspired by the drawings in Genevieve Robertson's And Even Dust Can Burst Into Flames. Genevieve's drawings resemble prehistoric plants and animals. We're going to use paint and a straw to create a similar effect.
For this activity, you'll need a straw, a container of paint, a paper cup, a popsicle stick, and 2 pieces of paper. We only need 1 for this activity, so you can put the other one aside for the second activity later. This activity could get messy, so start by laying down newspaper or a plastic sheet on your work surface. We want our paint to be runny so that it's easier to blow using a straw. You might need an adult to help you with this. Empty the paint into the paper cup. Add some water and give it a stir using the popsicle stick. Now for the fun part. Carefully pour a blob of paint onto your paper. Take your straw and blow. Blow the paint into different directions to create shapes that resemble plants or animals, just like Genevieve's drawings. Be sure to let your artwork fully dry on a flat surface.
For our second activity, we're going to be creating a strata collage inspired by Leora Gesser's art exhibition, Stratigraphy. Leora's exhibition contains paintings and prints of landscapes that resemble the layers of the earth called strata. The artworks in this collection contain many different textures, shapes, and colors which resemble a mosaic or a collage. We're going to create our own strata collage with tissue paper and other art materials.
In your art kits, you'll find strips of colored tissue paper, paper cutouts of different shapes, and you'll need that second piece of paper. You'll also need either a glue stick or some white glue, and any other materials that you might have at home. Glue down the strips of tissue paper onto your piece of paper, creating layers like we see in Leora's work. You can tear the edges of the paper or crumple pieces of paper to create different shapes and textures. If you look closely at Leora's works, you'll see shapes like dinosaurs, shells, fossils, and pottery. Use the paper cutouts on your collage, or cut out your own fun shapes on paper and add them to your collage.
We hope you have a lot of fun creating these art activities with your family this Family Day. Stay safe!